Hello Kutties, I am your teacher Pavitra from Bharathidasanar Metric Higher Secondary School, Arakonam. Today we are going to learn a topic from English for UKG Kutties. Shall we children? It's very good. Today we are going to learn 3-letter words by using vowels. It's very good. What are the vowels children? என்னென்னலாம் vowels சொல்றோம்? Listen. A, E, I, O, U, right? These 5 letters are vowels, okay? In the previous sessions, we have learned some of the 3-letter words by using A, E and then I. So, following that, in this class, we are going to learn 3-letter words by using the vowel O. Okay, children? Very good. Let's enter into the topic. See here. What is it, dears? What is it? Yes, it is a log. Log na enna solluvom? Marakattai solluvom illaya? Yes, that is in English log. Okay. We are using log to make what? Yes, furniture like chair, table, sofa, etc. Okay va? வீட்ல மர சாமான்கள்லாம் செய்யிறதுக்கு நம்ம என்ன தான் யூஸ் பண்றோம் சொல்லும்? Log தான் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். Okay. So what is it dears? Log. Okay, what is the spelling of log? Let's listen. Usually we are writing English words and letters in the 4-line page, right children? So you have to take your 4-line note and then pencil, okay? Let's listen how to write the spelling of log in 4-line page, okay? Listen to me carefully. Listen children, keep your pencil on the second line, okay? From here, go up, make a bend, come down, do like this. What letter is this? L, very good. From here, O and then G. L-O-G, log. What is the spelling of log? L-O-G, log. Very good dears. Okay, then listen. What is the next word we are going to learn? What picture is this? Enna sollam idu? Yes, this is the picture of dog. Okay, how does a dog make sound? Eppadi sollam dog kattum? Wow, wow, wow. Yes, very good. In English, dog barks. Dog kathudillaya kuraikumnu solvoliya adha English la dog barks அப்படினு சொல்லணும். Okay va? Also see here, it is a pet animal. Dog is a pet animal. It guards our house, right children? It's very good. So what is it? Dog. What picture is this? Dog. What is the spelling of dog? D-O-G, dog. What is the spelling of dog? D-O-G, dog. Very good. Dog enga chellam vaalum? Yes, it lives in kennel. The house of the dog, the home of the dog is called kennel. Okay. Now listen, we are going to write the spelling of the word dog in the 4-line page. Okay. D O G, dog. What is the spelling of the word dog? D-O-G, dog. Very good. Move on to the next word, okay? See here, what is it? How colorful it is, children. What is it? Yes, it is a toy. This is another toy, right? It's very good. Do you all like to play with toys? Toys kuda vilayada romba pidikum thana sollu ungalku. It's very good. So, these are the playthings. Toys are the playthings. Okay. What all are the toys do you have in your home, children? Priya, you tell me. Oh, aeroplane. Very good. Then Arjun. Oh, very good. You have D toy. Yes, very good, children. So, toys are playthings. Okay, children? Good. What is the spelling of toy? T-O-Y, toy. What is the spelling of toy? T-O-Y, toy. Shall we write it? Yes, listen. நம்ம அழகா எழுதலாம் வாங்க சொல்லும். T O Y T O Y toy. What is the spelling of toy? T-O-Y, toy. Very good. Next one, see here. What is it? What picture is this? Yes, this is the picture of some boxes, right? There are different types of boxes we can see here, right children? First பாருங்க, இது அட்டையால செய்யப்பட்ட box, right? This is a gift box. Am I right children? It's very good. What about this? This is a jewel box, right children? Usually we are using boxes to keep our things safely. நம்ம பாக்ஸ் குள்ள நமக்கு ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ட்டான திங்ஸ்லாம் வச்சு ஜுவல்லாம் ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் திங்ஸ் தானே சொல்லும். So we have to keep our important things in the boxes for safety purpose. Okay children? It's very good. So what box is this? Yes, this is a gift box. Very good. What about this? Yes, it is a jewel box. இந்த box எங்க தங்க பார்த்திருக்கீங்க? Yes, you are correct. If we buy something from the supermarket or else any other shop, means they keep our things in the box and then they packed it and then give it to ourselves, right children? So this box is used to keep our things. Okay, so the next one, see here now what we are going to do. Write the spelling of the box in the 4-line page. Listen, what is the spelling of the word box? B-O-X, box. Listen, B-O-X, B-O-X, box. What is the spelling of the word box? B-O-X, box. Very good. Then here, what is it? It is a cot. What is it children? Cot. Usually we are using cot for relax ourselves or sleep, right children? You have to sleep early and then wake up also early. Okay children? So what is it? Cot. Good. The spelling of the word cot is, listen, write the spelling of the word cot neatly. Okay children? Listen ma. C-O-T, cot. C-O-T, cot. What is the spelling of the word cot? C-O-T, cot. Very good. The next word is, see here, what is it children? Yes, it is a mop and tub, right children? Yes, our mummy using mop and tub to clean our home, right children? It's very good. So mop is using for cleaning purpose. Okay, good. What is the spelling of the word mop? See here, M-O-P, mop. What is the spelling of the word mop? M-O-P, mop. It is used for cleaning work, right? Good. The next one, what is the next word? What is it children? Yes, it is an animal, right? What is the name of this animal? Anyone knows? Yes, you are correct Praveen. This is a fox. What is it children? Fox. It is a wild animal. Okay, it lives in forest. Okay, how does the fox make sound? எப்படி சொல்லும் இது கத்தும்? Ooh, அப்படி கத்தும்ல சொல்லும். Yes, very good. We used to say the sound of fox in English. Fox howls. What is it children? Howls. தமிழ்ல ஊளையிடும் அப்படினு சொல்றோம் இல்லையா? நரி ஊளையிடும் சொல்றோம் இல்லையா? In English, fox howls. Okay, good. The spelling of the word fox is F-O-X, fox. Let's write the spelling of the word fox. Listen, F-O-X, fox. What is the spelling of the word fox? F-O-X, fox. Very good my dears. Okay children, so far we have learnt some of the 3-letter words by using vowels, right children? So now, shall we recall once? Okay, you have to say the words one by one. I am going to write it on the board. Okay children? Okay, what is the first word we have learnt in this class? Yes, you are correct. Log. What is the spelling of log? Yes, L-O-G. Log. Good, my dear. The next one. What word we have learned the next? Yes, you are correct. Dog. D-O-G. Dog. What is the spelling of dog? D-O-G. Dog. What about the next word, children? Yes, toy. T-O-Y. Toy. Very good, my dears. What is the fourth word we have learnt? Yes, you are correct. Box. B-O-X. Box. What is the spelling of the word box? B-O-X. Box. Okay. What is the next word? Cot. Very good. See. C-O-T. Cot. What is the spelling of the word cot? C-O-T. Cot. Very good. What is the next word? Yes, you are correct, Pooja. Mop. M-O-P. Mop. And what is the final word? Yes, fox. F-O-X. Fox. Okay, these are the words we have learnt in this class. Okay, do you find out one thing? In all these words, we use the vowel O in the center place. Right, children? So, these words are also called as O sound words. What is it, dears? O sound words. S-O-U-N-D. Sound. Words. W-O-R-D-S. Words. So, these 3-letter words are also called as O sound words. Very good, dears. I hope you all understood this session very well. For the further clarification, we have attached study material, question bank and self-assessment paper in the below description. Now, I am going to explain the question bank. Okay. The first Roman in the question bank is write the dictation words. 3-letter words dictate pannanga neenga dictate pandra words answer எழுதணும். Okay. Next, write the missing letter. Okay. Some letters are missing there. You have to find out the correct letter and then write in the correct place. Okay. What about the third Roman? See here. Look at the pictures and tick the correct answer. Pictures irukku, pictures kaana rendu options irukku. You have to find out the correct answer and then put the tick mark on the correct option. The fourth Roman is look at the pictures and write their names. Some pictures are given there. You have to find out the names of those pictures and then write the spelling of those words in the below dashes. Okay, children? Very good. இந்த செல்ஃப் அசஸ்மெண்ட்டையும் நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணணும், கொஷின் பேங்க் ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணிவிட்டு செல்ஃப் அசஸ்மெண்ட்டை அழகாக எழுதணும். ஓகே, மீட் யூ இன் த நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ் டியர்ஸ். பை பாய், தேங்க்யூ.